I can do it!
You got a fucking heart attack.
Man, I gotta start working out.